Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you manage the routing options in the AtlasNavi application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see a setting symbol. Press on it and in this page you will be able to find the settings. You can see here the second option. Press on that as well. And under the navigation category you will see the last option, which is the routing options. Press on it and you can see here 4 options that you can activate or deactivate, which is avoid tolls, avoid unpaved roads, avoid ferries and avoid freeways. If you want to activate any of these, you can just press on them and they will be activated. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.